proceed now to the June 11th, 2001 meeting, because that's what I really want to focus on, and then the events after that. But that's a bit of the background, and if I'm wrong in any of that, I would assume that our witnesses would correct me. On page 9 at the bottom of Ms. Hill's report, it stated the following. On June 11th, 2001, FBI headquarters representatives and CIA representatives met with the New York FBI agents handling the Cole investigation. The New York agents were shown but not given copies of the photographs that they and told that they were taken in Malaysia. They weren't told that. Still, information being withheld. This is after the Cole. Information withheld from the FBI. One of the New York agents recalled that al-Mihdhar's name was being mentioned. He also recalled asking for more information on why the people in the photographs were being followed. So we got an FBI now asking the CIA, why are you following these folks? He recalled asking for more information on why they were being followed and for access to that information. The New York agents were advised they could not be told why al-Mihdhar and the others were being followed. This is truly unbelievable. I've got to tell you, you all, this is extraordinary. This has got nothing to do with information which can't cross a wall. This has to do with leads.
At the June 11, 2001 meeting, FBI headquarters and CIA Counterterrorism Center personnel discussed with New York FBI investigators issues relating to the Cole investigation. At the time of this meeting, the FBI analyst, who we called Donna, had received information from the CIA concerning travel in January of 2000 of an al-Qaeda operative named Khalid al-Mihdhar to Malaysia through Dubai. Donna also had received surveillance photographs from the CIA showing Mihdhar meeting with other unidentified al-Qaeda operatives in Malaysia. After receiving the information from the CIA, Donna had conducted her own record check on Khalid al-Mihdhar in CT-Link and discovered the NSA information from late 1999 and early 2000 associating Khalid al-Mihdhar with a suspected terrorist facility in the Middle East linked to al-Qaeda activities and his plan to travel to Malaysia in January of 2000. This NSA intelligence about Khalid al-Mihdhar would have been important to the FBI agents conducting their own criminal investigation of the Cole attacks. However, Donna did not share this information with the criminal agents at the June 11 meeting because of concerns about the wall. By this time, the FBI was operating under the requirement that all NSA counterterrorism information had to be reviewed by the NSA's General Counsel's Office for a determination of whether it was Pfizer-derived before it could be considered for dissemination to criminal agents. Because she had not yet asked the NSA whether the information could be passed, Donna did not provide the New York agents with any of the NSA information. That information would have been important to the New York agents who were working the Cole investigation because they specialized in al-Qaeda operations and at the June 11 meeting showed great interest in the Malaysia meetings and Khalid al-Mihdhar. That information may also have provided the criminal agents with additional leads and could have led to the information that Khalid al-Mihdhar and Nawaf al-Hazmi had traveled to the United States in January of 2000. The Office of the Inspector General recognizes that the caveat when sharing any NSA counterterrorism information did not mean that the criminal agents were prohibited from ever obtaining access to the NSA information on Khalid al-Mihdhar. But if the information was Pfizer-derived, the caveat created a delay in the criminal agents receiving the information because of the lengthy procedures that had to be followed to share the information with them. With respect to the information Donna had received from the CIA about the Malaysia meetings, Donna showed the photographs to New York agents and asked whether they could identify Cole participants, Fahad al-Qusso, in the photographs. After one of the agents made a tentative identification, the agents asked questions about Khalid al-Mihdhar in the photographs. The agents continued to ask Donna questions about Khalid al-Mihdhar, the Malaysia meetings, and the photographs on June 11th after the meeting. As we discussed above, it is unclear how much questioning occurred during the actual meeting and how much occurred after the meeting. Donna was unable to answer most of the agent's questions because she had not obtained the information from the CIA. This, in our view, was not because of the wall, but was because of Donna's failure to plan the meeting adequately or ask sufficient questions from the CIA in advance of the meeting. First, we believe the planning for the June 11 meeting was flawed. Although Donna and other IOSs frequently traveled to New York to work on the coal investigation, she told the Office of the Inspector General that this was the first time that she had arranged for a meeting involving counterterrorism personnel in New York. Yet, according to what the meeting participants told the Office of the Inspector General, the purpose and the agenda of the meeting were not clear. The participants agreed that they knew there was going to be a discussion of the investigative results on the coal attack. The New York agents believed that the Counterterrorism Center and FBI headquarters had information to share with New York. Donna and the Counterterrorism Center participants, however, described the meeting as a brainstorming session to determine what new leads could be pursued and what FBI headquarters could do to assist New York. No agenda was prepared, and no supervisors were consulted for their input about the meeting. Even though Donna said that she called the meeting to explore further leads on avenues of the investigation in the coal case, she apparently did not ask the Counterterrorism Center participants to be prepared to present information or even answer questions. Mary and Peter, their names are covered up for their actual names, told the Office of the Inspector General that they were not in a position to discuss the coal investigation. Mary said she was not up to speed about the coal investigation on the Malaysia meetings. Peter told the Office of the Inspector General that as an analyst at the CIA, he did not have authority to discuss CIA information at the meeting and that he was merely tagging along. Peter being Clark Shannon, Donna being Margaret Gillespie. And Mary, I don't know who Mary would be in this, or I forgot. Donna told the Office of the Inspector General that she considered Mary to be another FBI employee at the meeting, and for this reason, did not provide her with any specific instructions in preparation for the meeting. Donna also said that she had not invited Peter, and because she was not in his chain of command, she did not ask him to be prepared. However, the New York agents we interviewed told the Office of the Inspector General they believed that the Counterterrorism Center personnel were coming to the meeting in part to share information with them. The fact that all the participants we interviewed described the meeting as unproductive and a waste of time highlighted that a more useful exchange of information could have occurred. With respect to the Kuala Lumpur photographs, Donna had obtained only limited information from CIA employee John, who is Tom Wilshire, about the photos when she received them. She did not ask general background questions such as whether anyone else in the photographs had been identified or what else was known about the Malaysia meetings. Donna told the Office of the Inspector General that because she believed the CIA provided her with everything she was entitled to know, she did not have an in-depth discussion about the photographs. John said he did not recall anything about his discussions with Donna regarding the Kuala Lumpur photographs. Donna told the Office of the Inspector General that when the New York agents asked her questions about Khalid al-Mihdhar, the Malaysia meetings, and the photographs, she thought they were reasonable questions, but she did not know the answers. She stated at that time she obtained the Kuala Lumpur photographs from the CIA. She believed that they were only potentially related to Fahad al-Qusso, and their significance to the coal would hinge on whether Fahad al-Qusso was in the photographs. The Office of the Inspector General believes that Donna should have asked the CIA additional questions about the photographs. She had reason to believe that Fahad al-Qusso, a key individual in the coal investigation, may have attended the Malaysia meetings. Given her interest in whether Fahad al-Qusso had attended the meetings, she should have wanted to ascertain and ask the CIA what, if anything, was known about the purpose of the Malaysia meetings. Who are the other participants at the meetings? What was known about the participants? And any other available information. Donna did not ask the CIA whether there was additional photographs or documentation. Donna told the Office of the Inspector General that she was unaware that there could have been additional photographs or other relevant information available. We believe that someone in her position should have known or at least asked for additional information about the subject of the photographs in preparation for the meeting. We also here at the Office of the Inspector General are troubled by Donna's inadequate efforts to obtain additional information about the June 11 meeting, particularly information about the Malaysia meetings, since it had been the subject of a dispute between Donna and Scott. Although Scott told the New York agents that she would check with the CIA about additional information regarding the photographs and the Malaysia meetings, Donna made little effort to obtain this information until 2 months later in August of 2001. Donna told the Office of the Inspector General that she believes that she made some unsuccessful follow-up phone calls to Peter and John about the photographs. It is not clear from the documentary evidence how much Donna did before August to obtain the information, but she did not provide additional information to the New York agents about the assignments and had to juggle many responsibilities. However, given the possible connections of this information to the Cole investigation, the Office of the Inspector General believes Donna should have made more aggressive and timely efforts to obtain this information soon after the June 11 meeting and to keep the New York agents informed about where her follow-up efforts were. By the same token, Scott, the New York cold case agents, did little to follow up after the June 11 meeting to obtain information he requested about the Malaysia meeting. Scott told the Office of the Inspector General he often asked Donna about the status of the information, but he was not provided any such information. Donna contended that Scott did not follow up on his June 11 requests. The Office of the Inspector General found no evidence, such as emails or other documents, to support Scott's claim that he raised the issue often with Donna. We believe that neither Donna nor Scott made significant efforts after the meeting to obtain the information.